viewers and students, what is the answer of this alphabetical puzzle? See, what is the first question? If CAT is equal to 48, DOG is equal to 52, ON is equal to 58, then what is the answer of LEG? See here, if we see alphabetical order, means A is 1. If we see E, B, C, D, so here A we take 1, here its number is 2, here C is 3 and here D is 4. So if C is 3, A is 1 in a alphabetical order and T's alphabetical order is 20. So 20 plus 3 plus 1, that is 24, and what is they given 48. If we multiply it by 2, 24 into 2, then we get 48. Now here see dog, D-O-G, D 4, O. O's alphabetical order is 15 and G's alphabetical order is 7. If you can't remember G, then see here 7. So what is 15 plus 4? 19. 19 plus 7, 26. Total is 26. And here what they given? 52. So 26 into 2. So we get 52. Here on O alphabetical order is 15 and N, M and O 13, 14 and 15. Here 14. So what is 15 plus 14? That is 29. 29 into 2, 58. So what is the answer of LEG? L's alphabetical order is D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. L is alphabetical order is 12. E's alphabetical order is 5 and G's alphabetical order is 7. Add these three numbers, 7 plus 5 plus 12, 17, 17 plus 7, 24, and 24 into 2, because here they multiply by 2, 24 into 2. So the answer is C, 48. 24 into 2. So the answer is 48. The next question is N and O. Here see, what is the alphabetical order of N? 16, M and O. N is 13, N is 14, O is 15. This is 14 and O is 15. Now what's the difference between these two? 1. Here O's alphabetical order is 15, R, P, Q, R, S, T is 20, and here is 19, here is 18. So the difference is 3, 15 and 18, the difference is 3. Here I and S. What is the alphabetical order of I? That is 9 and S is 19. And what is the difference? That is 10. So here same application, B, that is 2, and E's alphabetical order is 5. 5 and 2, the difference is 3. So the answer is C. Here this is interesting question. Here MORA is equal to 16, EAR is equal to 9, AM is equal to 4. Then what is SOLID? Solid. See here, if you see that these numbers 16, 9, 4, they are square of some numbers, and if we get answer by alphabetical order, then it will be huge. 13, 15, this will increase the numbers and we can't get 16. And if we see that if it is root of something, so the 256 is also not possible, because 16 square is 256, and 256, if we add these four numbers we can't get 256. Okay, then 1, 2, 3 and 4 square is 16. Here 1, 2, 3, 3 square is 9. Here am 2 numbers, 2 square is 4. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 square is 25. So the answer is D, 25. The next question is ROSE is equal to 15, MAN is equal to 8, ON is equal to 3, and clever is equal to what? CLEVER. Here also, if we see 15, so here it is also nearby 16 square of 4. 16 nearby here 16 is a 15 is a nearby 16. Here 9, if we take 9, so nearby this is also, and here we take 4. And how they 16, if we see 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 square is 16, and 16 minus 1, then we get 15. Here 3 square is 9 and minus 1. 9 minus 1, so we get 8. Here 1, 2 square is 4 minus 1, so we get 3. So same here apply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 square is 36, and 36 minus 1, so what we get? 35. So the answer is B, 35. See, first what do you assume that apply that if it is square of something, cube of something, the numbers are nearby square or cube, and for that you should first know that square of 1 to 50 and cube of 1 to 30, and try to know more 1 to at least 50. This is compulsory, 1 to 30 cube and 1 to 50 square. These are the compulsory, but if you try and if you take more 1 to 50, then this is very, very good. Thank you. If you have liked our video, then please like the video and subscribe our channel. Your one like is very important for us to motivate us to make this type of videos. Thank you.